First playing with toys. They're 4 weeks old tomorrow. They'd much rather pee than eat. They're starting to get the hang of it. And of course, big boy Benji is right in the middle of it. Believe it or not, I just changed those pads. At least they're going on them. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi. Hi, Katie Mae. Hi there, Katie Bug. Hi there, Katie Bug. Are you gonna bark? Hi, Katie Bug. Mimi. Oh, Miss Mimi. Oh, Miss Mimi. Oh, there's that boy. There's that baby. Hi, Rosie girl. Hi, Rosie girl. Hi, sweetheart. Well, hello. You gonna wag that tail today? Yeah. Oh, you're gonna wag that tail today. Katie Bag. Oh, Miss Katie Bag. Oh, Miss Katie Bag. Katie Bag. There's Katie Bag. And there's Mr. Benji. Says I'm going to try to eat a little bit more here. And this is Rosie. She's already sold. And here is, I can get her. Here's Mimi. And she's just still looking for a home too. Isn't she gorgeous? She looks like she's black, but she's not. She's a deep, deep red. You can see the highlights of it on her head. Get her in the light and her hair just glows red. See, Scott? Mimi? Miss Rosie Bug is eating. What you doing over there, Katie Bag? What you doing, Katie Bag? You're going to bark and show them, even though you're the tiniest now, but you're the mightiest. Gosh, she's beautiful. Well, maybe I'll have a bite. Yesterday was the first day that they interacted really with me and played with my hands and played chase and keep away with my hand. Yeah, it was really fun. Mimi, be nice. Be nice, Mimi girl. Oh, you just tell him, Katie Bug. You just tell him, get out of that food. Save you some. Boy, you guys have made a mess in your bed already. Yes, you have. You're going to bark? Well, tell me about it. Is that right? You going to tell me about it? There's Mimi already playing with her toys. She's going to be just like her mama. Love those toys. Well, that's our life today, everybody. Again, we have the 2 little girls left and 1 little boy. So if you decide that you're interested, feel free to give us a call. PM us on Facebook or check at www.cutiepatootie.com. That's CUTIEPATOOTIE.com. We'll look forward to talking with you. Bye now.